Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yet once again, I'm back with another video. It's your girl, Miss Kiki Style, aka Natural Hair Keet, and I will be showing you guys how I put on my U-part wig, which is one of my favorite protective styles. It's very easy, very simple, and it's like, that's it. Just a few steps and then we're done. So I have already straighten my leave out. As I told you guys, this is my leave out right here, okay? And then I braided my hair back, not in a specific way, just straight back. But these, I like to make two braids going around my leave out simply because I use these little clips right here on my wig. So these will hold on to the braids that's going around my leave out, if that makes any sense. And this is the hair, you guys. I've been having this hair for about 2 years. I used to sell hair a little while ago, you guys. I used to do reviews and all of that stuff on this hair. I had some really good customers and everything, but business just got slow, and that's another story. If you guys want me to do a story time on that, on me selling hair, let me know. I will do that video as well. But yeah, so this is the hair that I'm going to be using. It's really, really good hair, you guys. As y'all can see, I'm still using it, okay? So first things first, my hair is already sewn down. My leave out is already straightened. I'm just going to go ahead and get this cap, which I've already used before. I just cut this little portion out right here for the U, as you guys can see, because that's going to go around my leave out. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that on. Okay, make sure it's safe and secure. Okay, so you guys see that. Okay, so then I'm just going to thread my needle real quick. Actually, I'll just go ahead and put it on, because I don't need to sew this down, the cap. So y'all, this is one of my favorite little styles to do because it's very simple, very easy. You know, you can just throw it on and go. And also, I made this wig by myself. It's nothing specific, nothing special. But again, if you guys want me to show you all how I made it, I can do that as well. I did a lot of these videos on my main channel, but a lot of them have since then been deleted. But I can do it on this channel. Okay, so the braids right here that I made, you guys, I'm just going to clip it on to that. Okay, so now that everything is on, I'm going to just sew it down just a little bit. Okay, nothing special, nothing specific. Just kind of sew it down so that I know it's safe and secure. If the wind blows, my hair won't blow with it, okay? And then in another video, maybe a little later on today, I'm not gonna promise you guys, but I may do a styling video as far as curling this wig. So I'm just gonna get me a piece of thread here, and I'm gonna sew it in rows. So I may do like 4 rows. Just real quick, I'm gonna start from the bottom. Also, I can tell you guys like a lot of different tips and tricks that I use for my weaves and my wigs. How do I keep them for so long? How do I maintain them? How do I wash them? How I dye them? So many different videos and ideas and things that I have. Again, if you guys are interested. Also, I wanted to kind of take a poll. I wanted to see what you guys think. Y'all, I want y'all to let me know if you guys would like me to do get ready with me's. Like maybe I can do hair and makeup. If you guys want to see styling videos, I more so put those on my main channel, but I can also put them on this channel as well. I know a lot of you guys are here for natural hair, but I wanted my channel to be solely about hair. But again, if you guys want me to do that, I will definitely do that for you guys. So I just did one row right now. I'm gonna try to do like 2 or 3 more. So I have to tie it in a knot to make sure it stays and doesn't come apart. Okay. So then I'll do another row. Also, I do a lot of vlogging and traveling and going to like shows and concerts and stuff. But again, that's on my main channel. If you guys are interested in that, y'all can definitely go and check that out, and also subscribe to that channel. I have a reaction channel, and I also have another channel because I don't know if you guys know, but I live in Houston. So I make videos specifically talking about Houston for those that are interested in moving here or just visiting. So that's 2 rows. I'm gonna try to do 2 more. And y'all, this is so simple, like so simple. I'm gonna turn my flat iron on because I wanna kind of make sure it looks decent in the front. Also, I'm thinking about getting some turmeric because my face, y'all, I talked to y'all about this a little bit, but my face has been breaking out really bad, and it's like it'll try to clear up and then it just start breaking out again out of nowhere. So I've heard that turmeric helps your skin. So I want to go and get me some turmeric and do the mask, and maybe I can show you guys how I do that mask on this channel as well. But let me know down in the comments what you guys think as far as the other types of videos that you guys want me to post. Like, do y'all just want me to solely do hair videos, or do you guys want me to do other types of videos as well? I do plan on straightening my hair in the near future. I don't know exactly when, but I do be thinking about straightening it out. Maybe in a few weeks or so we can straighten it on camera. But yeah, so after I finish doing this wig and stuff, I'm gonna get ready and go get me something to eat, and I will be vlogging that as well. So like I said, if you guys are interested in like vlogs and all of that stuff, y'all can go check out my main channel. So this wig is secure, honey. It's safe and it is secure, which is good. That's what I want. Okay, so then I'm gonna take this little thing off right here, this little clip. And we just gonna kind of blend it in. I need to put this mirror right here so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, so this little part right here, I want it to kind of curl back. Doesn't have to be perfect, just something, you know, to make it kind of blend a little bit. And see, y'all, it's already blending. So y'all, while one of my coworkers, she's Asian, and I change my hair all the time. Sometimes I wear my natural hair, and sometimes I wear weaves and braids and stuff. And so they call me Key at work. And so she's like, Key, your hair is long today. And I'm like, yeah, it is. I have a wig. And she's like, I cannot tell it's the wig. And I was like, yeah, you're not supposed to tell. That be the thing. Like, we don't want y'all to know it's a wig. Because what would be the purpose? I'm going to cut this little part right there. What would be the purpose of us wearing it? You're not supposed to know it's a wig, sis. She's like, it looks so good. You cannot tell it's a wig. I'm like, you're not supposed to tell. Okay. So I'm going to get a little bit of this to go back to kind of cover up those tracks right there. So I'm going to just flat iron that right there. And then y'all know you can do baby hairs and all of that stuff. But I'm not going to really do that right now. And this oil, you guys, remember I told y'all about this oil in my video about my favorite products? I'm going to be using that. I put a little bit on my hair, on my leave out. But I'm going to put some on the actual weave. And see, I told y'all I wasn't even going to cut my leave out, but I did it off of impulse, just doing something. But see, it doesn't look that bad. It still have a little hair right here or whatever. But I don't really like the way it's coming out. And this needs to be cut a little shorter. There we go. So let's try this one more time. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. I might need to cut that too because it's not really blending in with this top portion right here. And then, so y'all, I had oiled my scalp and put some peppermint oil and stuff on there, and I hate when it touches the weave because it make it look real shiny. So let's see what this is doing right here. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. Just give it a little shine. And so that is pretty much it. So that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you like it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I have so many more videos on the way. Thank you guys for watching.